Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. So I will still have this promo going on, $100, $300 to start trading, and it will expire. The winners will be called in the next 2 hours. We announce the winner. So if you're watching this video and it's not yet 6 p.m. GMT, then you can actually participate. All you just need to do is click this link. You'll see it in the description below. And watch the 2 videos. They are really short videos, and just follow the rules, right? And then you win, stand a chance to win $100 to start trading. Also, we give out a 1,000 naira recharge card for visiting platform websites every single day. Right, so guys, today I want to teach you guys about Okex, what to do on the Okex platform, what it looks like, and how you can actually trade. Just in case you don't know how to trade, how to make money with trading, we have a course for you right here. I'll drop the link also in the description so you guys can check it out. So we have a course right here that will teach you how to trade from the beginner's level to advanced level, right? And also walk you through to the test account so you can get started in no time. Okex is a very popular exchange and it's even on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, they have this is about $3 billion worth of different cryptocurrencies, and they're doing really good. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, USD, Litecoin, and the rest. Alright, so this is what the website. This is actually what the platform looks like. You can trade, spot trading, margin trading, DEX. Just if you don't know what DEX is, it means it's a decentralized exchange. I'll do a video on that so you can get to understand how it works. Derivatives are perpetual swap futures. Have a video on this, a course on this, and it's right here, just in case you want to learn how to trade. And also, if you want to learn how to trade and you don't have capital, just let us know. Once you invite 3 persons, to come and register on our platform to trade, we'll give you free access, right, to learn to this course, and also give you $100 to start trading for yourself. Right, so this is what the website looks like. So I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can actually create an account, right? But let's go right to the testnet. Just in case you've not used the testnet before, or you don't know what the testnet is used for. Testnet enables you trade, with virtual money that is not real, right? So just once you open an account, just click test here, right? And let's see, we're doing this for the first time, so we can actually just do it together. So let's work with 10 BTC, right? So let's see if they can actually give us 10 BTC. All right, so if we get it 10 BTC, yeah, we did. So we've gotten 10 BTC rather to start trading, and then the next thing we need to do is go to the chart and say, okay, what was the chart saying? What are the different indicators saying? Now, if you want to learn how to use these different indicators, right? How to check the chart, there are different indicators and you can compare. So these are the indicators right here. We have a course that will teach you all that. So these are different indicators. So most of you know about MACD and the rest. So we'll teach you all that in that course. And well, that's it. So in case you want to learn how to trade, please make sure you come to this website and we'll give you free access if you invite 3 persons. Right, guys. So that's that about Okex. That's just a review. If you go to spot trading, it looks pretty simple to use. So just a run through. So these are the different pairs, trading pairs. If you've already gone through our trading course, you know what trading pairs are, and you should know what this 10x 5x means, what all this means. So these are the trading pairs, and also this is a little chart. You can actually expand the chart to have a better view. And also, what else? This is where you put your order. There are different types of order. There's limits, advanced limits, market, stop order, trail, iceberg, swap, sell, the same thing. Sell. In case you don't know how to use these things, we'll teach you in the course right here. So we're just taking a look at stuff. So right now I want to teach you how to deposit in your account, how to put money and start trading. So the first thing you need to do is click assets and click deposits. It's pretty easy. As you can see, you click assets and you click deposits, and then that is done. You can choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, any of them. And of course, the interface will be different from mobile for mobile, or you just click any of this one here. So let's go with Bitcoin. So what we want to do is fund our wallet, right? So we can start trading. So this is your wallet. So you can either copy this and send the Bitcoin to that address, or you can use the QR code. You scan that with your mobile phone or your mobile wallet, and then you send the money right there. Now, something you need to notice is that right here, deposits to Bitcoin address requires one confirmation. So if you send the Bitcoin to this address, it will not get deposited immediately until it gets to one next one confirmation. Just in case you don't know what that means, that means Bitcoin needs to get at least one confirmation from the miners before it reflects into this account. So that's how to get money into your account, and also you can actually auto transfer that into different accounts just in case. So that's how to get your account funded and start trading. So that's it, guys. And okay, this is a place for verification. It's actually simple to use. Once you get your account funded and you get your verification done, then you can actually head over here, get the trading course, and then start trading. So that's it, guys. If you actually love this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks.